That's a fair bit of noise, isn't it? Oh, look at him gliding through the... Oh, did you see that? I don't know, I hope you did. Just glided through from the left. Oh, look, they're flying across there. Oh, there's some more. Anyway, I was just doing this little video because I thought we might see a bird, because there is lots of birds here. By the side of the road here you can see the pipe work they've done, look. Yeah, just thought we'd have a little... I thought we'd just inspect their welding. That's not too bad for their water pipes. Saw somewhere earlier where it was broken and the two bits of pipe were just pushed together. But also, oh, somebody coming down on a motorbike. Also, we found this this packet here. Packet of peas. They look quite nice actually. A nice little snack for later. Well, there's nothing in there, but if we see them in the shops, we might get a packet of them. How much are they? 24 rupees, I think. 20p, 24p, 25p. So there we are. Yep. Listen to them up there. Over and out.